This video is sponsored by ProDemand from Mitchell 1. Complete OEM and real-world repair information delivered in a single lookup. For more information and a free demonstration, visit mitchell1.com.
I like to call it the 5-minute rule. If you're on your database for service information and you cannot find that piece of information that you need to repair a vehicle within 5 minutes, well, you should be making a call to the company and their product content support person. They can help you find the information. You'll be also interested to know that the people on the other side of the line, typically they're ASE certified, and they're spending all of their day working with this repair information, not just from their company, but also from the OEMs. So if it's not in that repair database, well, they can probably even send it to you. I've actually used these people. Recently, I was working on a Hyundai, and I was trying to find information out about the brake control system. There was issues with the ABS system, but whenever I entered the words HCU into my search, well, it took me to the hybrid control unit and not the hydraulic control unit for the brakes. Well, just after probably 1 minute on the phone, well, I found the information very quickly and I was able to continue with the repair. So if you're spending more than 5 minutes looking for a piece of repair information, well, give them a call. And it's also free in some cases because you're paying it for a part of your subscription. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.